Hi, good morning. This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning right here doing a house. That is making the bed. Juan Carlos is cleaning. I'm gonna do the disinfecting process. We are using the Clorox Hydrogen Peroxide. This product is especially registered in an EPA. You can see in the CDC website all the products that are registered especially for the human coronavirus. Let me show you where it says that viruses, 30 seconds contact time, different type of virus, even the influenza, and it says human coronavirus. The directions. This is an EPA registration, and this is not Clorox. This is hydrogen peroxide disinfectant cleaner, and we are using a Rubbermaid disposable microfiber cloth. So after disinfecting the area and spraying, we use the cloth and then we throw it out. We let it sit. The label says 30 seconds, high touch surface, and then we wipe with our disposable cloth. If you need our cleaning services, just call us at 47572-4118. We use all our protection shield. And I'm Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. Thank you for watching us.